My name is Leandra Urrutia, and I am a figurative ceramic artist who presently is working more on parts of the body in what you could describe as an iconic way. My work focuses on injury, aging, and power through a female lens. I am also an avid skater, and I incorporate that into my work as well through a parallel with roller derby. So I was really excited to come here and work with students so that we could focus on something for them to be inspired by. Luckily, here at the Zuckerman, there's this wonderful collection of art made by Ruth Zuckerman. And I thought about in the Mexican-American tradition and culture, they have these little medals, they're called milagros. And what they are kind of a physical, iconic power piece that you can focus on when you have ailments and that need some kind of repair or miraculous intervention. And so I looked at these pieces of Ruth's, and I thought it might be an interesting kind of twist to have the students adopt one of these and then use them to inspire art pieces. And that's what we've been working on. The Windgate Artist Residency is important because it exposes students to different artists. I feel like I bring my own kind of unique processes in clay to people. I do a lot of drawing with clay. I feel really excited when people look at my work and they tell me that they don't realize it's clay. And so exposure to myself and other people, I would imagine, would have a huge impact. And I've had a lot of conversations while I've been here. I spent a lot of time in the studio with the students having one-on-one conversations about what I do, what they're doing, what they hope to do, giving them suggestions and advice about how to move forward in their careers or even how to approach the things that they're making for assignments and turn it into a body of work or career path. So I think in that way, it's really important. As an artist and educator, I remember being a student who didn't have a lot of exposure to the arts when I was growing up. My parents were first-generation Americans, and becoming an artist wasn't really something they thought that would be possible or lead to a good life. And so I want to, if other students are experiencing that, maybe their first time college students in their family, that art is a viable option for them, how important it is in culture. There's no cultures that we study that don't have great art. And so also I have a unique perspective in the way that I used to work in an environment and draw and sell things. So it's not just a gallery perspective, it's also learning how to kind of market yourself and put yourself out in the world. So those are the things that I'm hoping to give them a little more outside of the academic and outside of academics. So.